Welcome to Metro Glass $100 Lucky Windshield Promotion Giveaway. Today we're excited to announce the winner of a $100 Amazon gift card as part of our Customer Appreciation event. Metro Glass LLC is a mobile auto glass shop serving Central Mississippi. We specialize in windshield replacements, rock chip repairs, and ADAS recalibrations. This giveaway is our way of saying thank you to our amazing customers who have trusted us with their auto glass needs. Everyone who qualified for the Lucky Windshield promotion has been entered into a random drawing, and we will now spin the wheel to see who will win the $100 Amazon gift card. Let's spin the wheel and find out who our lucky winner is. And the winner is Tamara Jones. Congratulations, Tamara. We'll be reaching out to you shortly to send you your $100 Amazon gift card. Thank you to everyone who participated in the Lucky Windshield promotion, and be sure to follow Metro Glass LLC for future promotions and top quality auto glass services. Until next time, stay safe and drive with a clear view. Thank you.